Good afternoon, I'm your South Florida lawyer, Patrick McGeehan, and I am your best friend at your worst time. I had another great question come in. How long does it take to serve somebody in a domestic violence injunction case? Well, that all depends on how fast the sheriff's office can locate the respondent. The respondent is the person whom you're seeking the injunction against. The respondent has to be served with the notice of hearing, a summons, and a copy of the petition, and a temporary injunction if the temporary injunction is issued. When it's filed, when the petition is filed, the clerk of the court sends a petition, the summons, the notice of hearing, and the injunction to the sheriff's office, and the sheriff's office goes out and attempts to serve the person. If they're unable to serve the person by the time your hearing comes up, at that hearing, the judge will reschedule it, and if there's a temporary injunction, the temporary injunction will be extended until that next hearing. The court will reset your case a couple times if they're unable to serve the respondent. Now, if you want to go outside the sheriff's office and have a process server serve the respondent, you have to get a specific court order for that, for an appointment of special process server. And a lot of times that works because the sheriff's office will go out a couple times during a 2 or 3 week period, and if the person's not there, then they can't effect service. But if you happen to know a better schedule for the respondent, where he works, what his schedule is when he gets home, a private process server can work more closely with you and get the person served. But you have to get a court order to do that, and you bear the expense of that also. So there you have it. How long does it take to serve somebody, a respondent with an injunction in a domestic violence case? That's your basic answer. Just depends on how long it takes the sheriff's office to find it. But there's also a solution if the sheriff's office can't find it. You can hire your own process server. I'm Patrick McGeehan. I'm your South Florida lawyer. I am your best friend at your worst time. And I lawyer in paradise, beautiful Miami, Florida. Life of a Miami lawyer, I love it.